Okay, so this is my grandpa, and he's going to show us his garden, and he's going to talk about the plants.
Okay, it is March the 11th, so it's still winter time, and there's not a whole lot growing in the garden, but I'll show you some things that are growing. Here are, these plants are called blueberries, and they're going to produce blueberries soon, but these blooms are going to produce blueberries. We have some spinach here.
Yummy.
We have some onions.
Yummy.
We have some kale, which is a green that you can eat. The spinach and
Why?
kale are for eating in salads. There's some radishes growing there. They're just starting to come up because I planted them not long ago. Over here is garlic, which is something that you put in your foods to season it, to make the food taste good.
Oh, can I eat some? No, not right now.
You can eat some leaf if you want.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're stepping in my garden now.
Oh, how dare you.
Okay, here's some carrots that we planted
Yummy.
last fall, and they made it through the winter and starting to sprout up and grow now. This is called Swiss chard. There's some more spinach, which is good to eat. Here's some lavender. If you guys can smell this.
Okay, I'll give you a light.
You want to smell this?
The camera can't smell it.
I know, I'm just joking.
I'm gonna think you, Colin.
Okay.
I don't think Colin will like it. And
This plant here is called a goji berry. It makes little tiny red berries that are good to eat and very nutritious, good to eat for you. There's another row of kale. I have potatoes planted down through here where I put the straw over them, but they're not up yet. Here's some strawberries. You can see they're starting to bloom. Here's Michelle's flower garden, which we had dahlias in last year, which are still under there, and they may sprout out.
And sunflowers too.
Yes, we'll plant sunflower seeds soon. And here are some flowers that we already planted, but I don't remember what kind of flowers they are. I have some of these little plastic things on to provide a little greenhouse to make the air warmer so the seeds will sprout earlier. And it also protects them from anything that wants to eat the little tiny sprouts.
Oh, here's another one. See? And there's air for them and sunlight.
Yeah.
And water.
There's
And
some
then
tomatoes planted in that
here
one.
are some raspberries.
The raspberries are not fruiting yet because it's just early or late winter, early spring.
Okay, I'll show you. And then here is the worm pit. And then here's the worm pit.
The worm pit, this is called vermicomposting because you're using worms to make compost. Compost is when things break down naturally and
Kill it with 2 legs.
they break down naturally, and it's a good thing to make the plants grow. After the worms eat all these food scraps, or there's also some rabbit poop in here. And when the worms eat it, and they poop out what goes through them, and it makes a good compost and good fertilizer for the garden. This garden style that I do is called a no-till garden, which means I don't dig the soil up, but instead I cover it with mulch, which is like I use these wood chips mostly to cover it. And the wood chips will cover the soil and protect it. They'll help it not need so much water because the sun can't hit the soil, and it'll compost down and will compost and give nutrients to the soil as well. See, there's a row of radishes here that Gabe is stepping on.
Nah, shouldn't be in this garden. And then
there's some lettuce over here, which is starting to grow lettuce, and this is another salad green called mock. And it has some more things growing under covers here. But there's not a whole lot growing in the springtime.
Wait, there's a mint over here, right here.
Yeah, that's called peppermint, which is an herb you can make tea with.
I'll pet.
Can you get that
It's
row of
mint
spinach
tea.
from the
You can
side
make
there?
mint tea with it. I'm great at making mint tea, you know that.
Okay, here's a row of spinach through here, which is starting to grow. We've had some cold weather, so it sort of affected it. And this is more carrots over here. Oh, did we show? Dave showed him that one carrot we picked, right?
Yes.
Yeah, with 2 legs.
So they're starting to
I
grow.
planted the carrot with 2 legs again.
Okay.
Put it back in. Yeah,
And then...
All right, that's probably about all that we have growing
No!
so far.
The bunny rabbits. You can't forget them.
Okay, you show the bunny rabbit.
These are the fertilizers. Hey guys, what's up? Hi Mimi. So they help fertilize the garden. Hey guys. Hi Mimi, how are you? Oh, you're scared. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it.